for privacy's sake. And
where'd the sound go? Where'd the sound go? It finally happened. My bad habits in OBS finally ruined one of my videos. I will say, and
so many dumb ways to die.
OBS bot sent, and not just a video, like 20 minutes of a camera review. I've been setting up camera and audio sources the same way in OBS for the last 10 years, and it finally got me. So I've got a better way to do it. Let's talk about it. So this is the first scene that I have set up with the webcam so I can talk to the camera. And then the second scene was me working with the software and my web camera set up in the corner like this. So what happened was when I copied this scene over and I switched to this scene, I forgot to copy over my audio source. So you can see that there's an audio source here in the mixer, but it's not in the recording. And as soon as I switched to this scene, the audio cut out. So the fix would be to not be an idiot and copy this into each scene and paste a reference. So now you can see the levels, the audio's working. But if you've got multiple scenes like I do, and I'm working on a vertical timeline and a horizontal timeline, it's a pain in the ass to remember that all the time. And if you switch a microphone, if you don't paste a reference, but you actually bring in a new audio source, a new audio capture device, and you bring in your mic like this, then each one has to be changed. That's bad practice. Don't do that. You'll end up with some really weird looping anyway. So all of this stuff is the wrong way to do it. What I found to be the easiest way to not forget this anymore and mess up on this is to have one scene that's dedicated into my OBS that is just for my main camera and my audio. So let me show you how to set that up. You go into your main scene panel, add a new scene, and we'll call this scene main camera and audio. And you bring that in. Now, by default, nothing in there, and we'll add in our camera scene, video capture, and I have my capture device right here. There. Now, I'm in the scene, but you can see at the bottom, there's no audio. So, add in that audio capture device right here, and I've already got one called mic in. Now, you should be able to see the audio form. I can see the waveforms at the bottom. So the audio source is in. Now we have this scene called main camera. Now this is what I want to use for all the rest of my scenes going forward. So instead of bringing this in, I'm going to take both of these and I'm going to delete this. And instead, I'm going to add in a scene and I'm going to add in my main camera and audio. I'm back. There are waveforms at the bottom. I've got everything set up. And if I change that in this camera scene, it'll automatically change in all the scenes that access it. So when I come into here and I'm working on this camera test with the software, instead of having this video capture device, I'm going to delete that. And again, I'm going to add in a scene and I'll add in my main camera scene. I can resize this down just like it was before and position it wherever I want. But now it's linked to that composite scene with my camera and my audio in it. So anytime it accesses this scene, my main camera scene, it will drag in the audio linked to it no matter what. I think this is probably a better practice way of going about setting up all of your different scenes. That way you don't accidentally do what I did and forget to copy your mic channel and ruin a video that now I have to go back and re-record. Hopefully that helped. It annoyed the hell out of me when I opened up those video files and there was nothing there. So this is my best practice moving forward. If it helped, let me know, give it a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.